Y'all ugly.
You hate what?
This.
You're right.
Ew, that's a horrible
I know.
I have a clip, but I don't know where it went. So that was really not helpful.
Look at you. I mean, why did I say that?
Oh my god, I might post that on my Insta. That was kind of cute.
Literally, she was the only one that looked good in this photo. Look at my face. Look at it. It looks like I'm in the middle of a sneeze. She's the one that looks like she was ready for it.
It's probably so loud.
Hey, what the? Oh, that's funny, okay. I honked at somebody.
After that last clip, we headed to the best place ever, my home, Target, and we went shopping for a sun visor because the theme of the mixer was country or country club, and I went with country club, but I didn't even end up dressing up, and we just found some glasses and took photos. Then we went over to Peyton's house and, you know, jammed out on her ukulele.
Oh, it's literally from you.
Oh, no, I'm not doing it on video.
Hey crew, we're with Caroline Lindsay, the stud over there. And I'm vlogging, but probably don't use it. Lately, I've been thinking.
What's up, y'all? It's Caroline back in the building.
I am disgusted.
Just FaceTiming you.
Snapchat.
No, it looks better.
You weirdo.
Just trust me, it looks better. Okay, what are we doing? Like, say, like, something for the Chan. I'm gonna look better in this video than the last video. I'm gonna make sure. Okay, anyways. Say what we're doing.
So today, we're going to a mixer. And
Hey, this is my channel too, even though it didn't really look like that in the last video.
I'm so sorry.
Should we vlog at the mixer or is that lame? That's
Sorry,
pretty lame.
Peyton, that's pretty lame. I don't agree with your opinion, but it's okay.
Maybe we'll include hot guys in it.
Oh, maybe not, because we're too shy. And they
You
won't
are not
approach
shy
us.
at all.
I'm a little shy, but not really.
I'm doing some of the editing for you. Two bros chilling in a hot tub, 5 feet apart because you're not gay. That was good.
It was?
What?
Wow, thank you. Oh, yeah, that was me.
Ow, my neck just popped.
What's a cracker lacquer?
Crack-a-lacking.
You're not even recording me well.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't I
Remember
look
your
like
angle?
SpongeBob? In the building.
Get this video to 1,000 likes and we'll dye Caroline's hair blonde.
Oh my no. My mom would kill me. She doesn't want me to die, but she would kill me.
She doesn't want you to die.
But she
Like,
doesn't
die.
want to see my hair blonde.
That
That was my shoulder blade.
After about an hour of jamming out on the ukulele at Peyton's house, we decided to leave to go to the mixer so that we can get there on time.
Why are you filming me? Like, let's enjoy the moment.
We need more footage. I turned into a control freak. We need more footage.
That's gonna be you in like 2 years when we have 100 subscribers.
I hope not. We're just doing this for fun, you know?
If you have a toe fetish, this is your song.
Is it?
I would know.
Okay, we're done with the mixer. It was okay. I had fun, but I don't know about this little chick
really,
over
but,
here.
Like, it was fine towards the end.
It was okay. I mean, like, I give it a 7.5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. 5.5.
5.5 out of 10 for her. 7.5 out of 10 for me. Okay.
So as it turns out, just like in the last video, I forgot to record an outro, so I'll just do it now. After we, you know, went to the mixer, had fun and stuff, we went to IHOP and ate. That was fun. Had a waffle. It's really great. But I'll try to remember next time to record an outro, you know. Okay, well, what's out?
These are the people of Walmart.
I just gotta know.